All right, hustlers, so check this out. We're going to show you how to get this free money and how to change the game using tactical arbitrage and one of my favorite sourcing sites, Kohl's. Now watch this. Right now we're inside of my tactical arbitrage at the dashboard. But here's the deal. When we come in, I'm going to show you some products that I have in a folder that I created. See all these folder marks next to these? That means these have been saved into a folder. Now, watch how we change the game here. So you can see right here, we're sourcing Kohl's. And here you can see it's an automatic can opener with knife sharpener. Okay, so all you got to do is, number one, you're supposed to be able to get it for somewhere around $15.29, but that's really not gonna matter. Let me show you what I mean. Watch what happens. You click there, you come in. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, and that's got. I'm just making sure we have the knife sharpener on there so that we have the right product. So the software said you should be able to get it for like $15.29. Even with your 20% off, you're going to pay like $17.59. Now you got to look at what is it selling for on Amazon. Okay. Here, at the time this search was run, the buy box was somewhere around $60. But let's see where it is today. All right, so we click right there. We come in. Nope, ain't there. And look, let's look at. You've got 11 people selling it, but you're only worried about the prime and the new. Now, right away in the buy box, who do you see there? Amazon. And what are they selling it for? $21.99. So if you got to pay $17.59 before tax, you ain't gonna make a profit, are you? Well, if you're getting free money. So let's say I was gonna get 4 of them, right? Boom. So now we got 6 products in the cart. We're gonna come over. Let's see. I want to view my cart. And I got some stuff in there that I don't want, so I'm going to remove that. So now I'm going to close that for a second. I don't need those. All right, so what are we looking at? We're looking at a total with tax $93.24. Now we're going to come over. We're going to get into our Kohl's cash. This is cash that we earned. We're going to add that one to the bag. Okay. Let's see. And now, let's see. We're going to come over. And all of a sudden, we're down. We just used $45. Let me double check that. Then we come back. Then we add that. Then we come back. And then we add that. What else? We got to make sure we get our 20%. Let's just double check everything we got. Now we're down to owing $9. Remember, you just got 4 Hamilton Beach can openers. Let's see. There should be 20% off that we could take. Let's see here. Watch this. I'm gonna come over because I want to know what that coupon code is. Okay, shop 20 is the code you can put in. Let's see if that works. Where am I at here? Okay. So now what we do, let's get rid of that. We go back. Codes are a little weird how they work. Let's see. Shop 20. Let's see if they let you. And so they're not gonna let me, probably because I used that free money. They ain't trying to let you stack. You should be able to stack, but even if you didn't stack, here's what I want you to look at. So if you're only spending $9.49, and that's because we have to pay our shipping on this. Okay, plus they still charge you. Are they still charging you tax? Yeah, a little bit. Doesn't matter though. Watch this. Now we're gonna come over to our revenue calculator. We're gonna take the ASIN. Oops, that was wrong. Get back there. We're gonna copy that ASIN, not cut it. Gonna put it in there. And if we're gonna compete with Amazon, it's gonna be $21.99. I'm gonna say it's gotta cost me about 50 cents to get each unit in there. And let's see, we don't need that anymore. We can close that. We're gonna pay out of pocket $9.49. At least that's what we estimate. We're getting 4 can openers, so we're paying like $2.37 per can opener. $2.37 per can opener. And so you're gonna make $10.09 per. So you're gonna make like $40. Basically, you're just cashing out your free money. All right. And how well will you cash out that money? Well, with a rank like 1,696, really? I tell you what, again, we're using tactical arbitrage, so you get this hummingbird extension that you see right here for Chrome. Yeah, I think we'll be all right. You got a graph that's setting up really nice. You can see where Amazon goes out of stock. You could actually let's look at the competition. I don't know how many Amazon has, but if you wanted to wait it out just a little bit, you could afford to. You could wait Amazon out, and you could actually get more money for that. This guy only has 1. This guy only has 6. Let's look at the keeper chart and see how you see how that sets up. Where you see the tan is when Amazon is in stock. Man, when they go out of stock, look at, you got FBA $68.99. Now that was just back in October. Look, they went out here $62. That was just towards the end of October. You know what? I tell you what, boy, I'll get these, and this didn't cost you anything, so you can afford to wait. You see what I'm saying? This is just free money, guys. Now you got to spend money to make money. I got this money because I source at Kohl's. I buy other products. I use this software to see where I can make money. But you see how you're a professional shopper, that you're different than other people. You see what I'm saying? Other people, they're not going to buy this. They're not going to spend as much money as you do. So this is the power of of arbitrage. You see what I'm saying? And trust me, do your research. You're gonna get, these are the best margins you're ever gonna get, free. So tell you what, if you want to learn how to use the software, use the link down in the description. And I'm talking about tactical arbitrage right here. We got links. We've got the lightning course. We got the lightning course part 2. We've got the whole series on tactical arbitrage, guys. There's a link in the description to get the trial. Instead of 7 days, you can get 10 days. You guys, you're all set. This is where it's at. All right, guys. I'll see you in the lightning course.